Good day. My topic for today is all about crab or pubic lice. By the way, I am Joyce Marti Bayod, your reporter. Pubic lice, commonly called crabs, are tiny insects found in your genital area. They are a different type of loose from head lice and body lice, measuring 1 to 16 inch or 1.6 millimeters or less. Pubic lice received their nickname because their bodies resemble tiny crabs. These are sample pictures of pubic lice. Pubic lice are usually spread through sexual contact. Rarely, infestation can be spread through contact with an infested person's bed linens, towels, or clothes. Pubic lice are generally found in the genital area on pubic hair but may occasionally be found on other coarse body hair such as hair on the legs, armpit, mustache, beard, eyebrows, and eyelashes. Lice found on the head are not pubic lice, they are head lice. Animals do not get or spread pubic lice. The key symptom of pubic lice is itching in the genital area. Nits or crawling lice may be seen. Pubic lice or crab symptoms. The main symptom of pubic lice is itching, which may start about 5 days after the first contact. A person may also notice small red bumps or spots on the skin, blue spots on the thighs or lower abdomen, dark brown or black powder, loose droppings on the skin or in the underwear. Symptoms can affect the pubic region or any part of the body that has hair, including the eyelashes. Treatment. People can treat lice using over-the-counter preparations. It is essential to follow the instructions precisely. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention trusted source recommend either a 1% permethrin lotion or a mouse containing pyretrins and piperonal butoxide. They note that Linden shampoo, which is a prescription medication, can kill lice and eggs, but it can be toxic to the brain and nervous system. People should only use Linden if other treatments have not worked or if they cannot use other remedies. It is not suitable for infants and children, older people, those who are prone to seizures, individuals with skin problems, and people weighing less than 110 pounds. People should not use it during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Other prescription treatments include malathion lotion 0.5% and ivermectin or stromectol. The Food and Drug Administration have not approved malathion for the treatment of pubic lice, and they have only approved the topical form of ivermectin, not the oral form. The exact instruction for use will vary, but the overall process is as follows. Wash and towel dry the affected area. Saturate the affected hair with medication. Leave for as long as the instruction recommend, then remove according to the instructions. Remove the nits or eggs using the fingernails or a fine comb. Change into clean underwear. If lice remain after 9 days, apply the treatment again. In addition, people with lice should do the following. Avoid sexual contact with others until the lice have gone. Inform any partners or people who may have been in close contact. Consider testing for other STIs. Even if the lice appear to have gone, the person should continue treatment because if any eggs remain, they may hatch and start a new cycle. If OTC medication do not kill the lice, a doctor may prescribe a stronger lotion or shampoo. It is important to ask a healthcare professional about the treatments for lice, as options that are suitable for body hair may be harmful to use in the face. Will I see the lice? An adult pubic louse is large enough to see. It has 6 legs, including large back legs that look like the claws of a crab. The lice use these back legs to cling onto the hair. The eggs are yellowish white, oval shaped, and usually too small to see without a microscope. They stick firmly to the base of the hair. The signs of lice may be visible in coarse hair in the pubic region, but also under the arms and elsewhere. After treatment, empty eggshells may remain, but this does not necessarily mean that the infestation is still present. Lice cannot jump. Causes. Lice cannot jump, fly, or swim, but they can crawl. They can move from one person to another in the following ways: during any type of sexual activity, through non-sexual bodily contact such as hugging or kissing, although this is less common, by sharing towels, bedding, and other personal items. They can also spread from one part of the body to another on the hands. For example, if a person touches their pubic hair and then their eyelashes. Barrier protection does not prevent lice from spreading. It is the proximity of body hair that enables their transmission. When to see a doctor? OTC treatment can usually remove lice and their eggs as long as the person follows the instructions. The person should seek medical advice if OTC medication does not kill the lice. Lice occur during pregnancy when treatment may not be suitable. A skin infection results from scratching if they are under 18 years of age. Complications. Without treatment, complications can arise. Pubic lice that do not pass on diseases, but scratching the affected area of skin can lead to sores or a skin infection. If lice are present in the eyelashes, there is a risk of inflammation and infection such as conjunctivitis. If a person is not sure whether the lice have gone, a healthcare professional can help them check. Following treatment, if there are still moving lice or eggs that are not empty, the person should see a doctor. Stronger medication may be necessary. Diagnosis. Lice and eggs are easy to detect through a visual examination of the affected area. A magnifying glass may help. If there are moving lice, the person will need treatment. The presence of eggs does not necessarily mean that there is an infestation, as some empty eggshells may remain after successful treatment. A doctor may recommend screening for other STIs as a precaution. Pubic lice in the eyelashes or eyebrows of children may sometimes be a sign of child abuse, according to the CDC's trusted source. Prevention. People can avoid getting pubic lice or spreading them to others by seeking early treatment, refraining from sexual activity until the lice have gone, ensuring that any sexual partners also have treatment, refraining from sharing towels and other personal items with others, and removing pubic trusted sores and other bodily hair. That could be all. Thank you.